In this video, we will going to learn about the PHP session, which is the most important and valuable feature in programming. Let me give you one example. I'm setting one variable data, giving a value of 2. I'm echoing out, displaying it, save it, come back, refresh. Okay, we have 2. We have a link over here with our new .php file, and for instance, we are on the web page test and we are logged in with the user or store some data of the user. When we land on this page, now we are going to a new page, which is this. So if I wanted to display this, let's see what will gonna happen. Go here. Okay, undefined data. Now it is saying the variable is undefined. So when we refresh the page or go back to any previous or next page, it loses the data because variable only store the data on a running script. When the script reinitiate, it loses all its variable and arrays data. So how do we manage to store the data? Like, we can use cookie, we can use database, but what if you don't want to use that for very long time, just for a period of time you want to store it? So that's where the sessions come in. So instead of using the simple variable, we can use a global variable in PHP, which is session. So if I say data is equals to 2 now and remove this line, print this and do the same here, it will gonna print, right? Yes, it will. But before that, we have to initiate the session. Session start is a function to initiate the session in your script, and you have to add this session start in your every page. So most probably these type of things goes in a unique file, config file that you are building, and in the starting you have to define it. So if I save both files, come back here, refresh. Now if I go here, you see in new.php we are not defining session data. We are not storing it, we are simply displaying it. But because it is a session, it is getting it data here. And how do we destroy it, unset it? Let's give you a more professional example here. Let's say you are storing data of a user, name for us. Let's say you are logging in the user. I'm gonna copy. Email would be Faraz underscore core developer @outlook.com. Now you can display it name. Just go with name. Save it. test.php and Faraz here. Now if you wanted to log out the user or delete the session, you can simply use, let me add another file. Let me copy the new file again, and I was gonna call it logout. Open it, and here session start, and simply we will gonna say session destroy. Save this file. In here we have to add another link, logout.php, and we can say logout. Save this file, come back here. Now if we say logout, we are logged out. Now if we go back to our new.php, you see name is undefined. But if we go back to our test.php, there you go, we have it here again. This is how you destroy the entire session. But what if you wanted to remove only one of the session, for instance, or update the session? You can update the session just like the variable. You define whatever value is here and you can edit it with the is equals to assignment operator. So it's just as simple as defining or updating a variable. Now in order to remove only one of the session, like if you only wanted to remove email, we can do this. We can do it like this. Save this, come here, echo email as well. But at this point, we are displaying both. And now here, instead of destroying, we are commenting it and we are saying unset. Just like a set function, we have unset as well. And we will gonna say session unset email. And here, echo pre to display the array properly. Again, printer is the PHP function to render the object or array in a better form. Save it. Come back to our test.php. Faraz and email. Go here. Faraz. I think we did not save this file. Yes. Now email as well. Now when you are on log out, sorry, you see email has been gone, only name left. So if I go back to my new.php file, you see email is undefined. So this is how you delete a specific session. This is all about session. We're gonna come in next video and learn something new. Take care for now. Bye bye.